and I could have worked it
Yeah,
out.
I'm back. You know, pretty funny.
Where is she?
Destroy it. Well, I know she might have gone to bed, but she was here before Ekara. She's been working a lot lately, so
I missed her.
she's working because of work. She's doing like 72 hours. Or something. Pretty crazy hours. Yeah, let's try it.
Leave it to me, Leon.
Leave it to me, Leon. Yeah. So I want to be using this one. This one makes sense. Yeah. So what am I supposed to do there? What am I supposed to do there, Becca? I have to shoot the the wheels. I'm guessing of the truck. Thinking, right? Oh, she's young.
Behind us!
Okay, so I want all these guys to get on top of the truck so I can actually use it. So strong. Oh, that guy failed the jump somehow. Okay. Oh, I'm dead again. God damn, what am I supposed to do there? Dang it, that's annoying. I don't know what I'm supposed to do there. What am I supposed to do in the area? That, mission. Fuck me. What that, bro? Bro. Should I Bro moment.
Leave it to me, Leon.
Leave it to me, Leon. Yeah, so, These fights is so...
Behind us!
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this game hasn't got that many battles, right? No, it hasn't got that many battles. Right. Okay, there. Oh, no, you okay. Oh, you shoot it once, okay. Damn it, that's crazy. Oh, yeah, I fucking done it, but this is fucking so slow driving. I mean, I don't think she would have her license, she's pretty young. And also, you know, you also have to remember that in the US, you have to be like 21, right? You know? What? What am I supposed to... What? It's back again, and it kills me. Oh my god, dude. What's going on? Oh my god, dude. It's actually... Fuck. I'll do it later. Like, yeah, I'm just fucking confused. Like, what am I supposed to do?
Leave it to me, Leon.
Alright, try again. Come on, assholes, come on. Deja mismo.
Oh,
Double whopper. Double with cheese. Oh yeah. Come on, assholes. This is my fourth try. Huh? Is that it? Oh, try again, come on. Huh? Okay, good. Alright, try again. I guess we're gonna go. So what do I do now? Do I have to like try and hit it again or? Oh, there we go. Now we got it. Now we got it. Okay, now we got it. Okay, ah. Peligro.
I'm leaving it to you.
Oh, do I have to go up there? Okay, cool. That's fine. Right. Is there any enemies here or no? I'm not really sure if there's any enemies here. Oh yeah, there are. Oh my fucking god, I messed up. Fucking, oh my god! Oh, what the hell? Oh, you're fucking kidding me. Oh no, she's dead! No! Oh god, this fight is so tricky. Okay.
I'm
Oh,
leaving it to you.
I know, dude. This fucking truck on these enemies, there's just so many of them. I just wanna use the fucking striker, like, these guys are just so annoying to kill. Like, I'm just gonna use this one here. Fuck it. Fuck me, you assholes. That guy's fucking so like. Well, now I've got no ammunition, sadly. Oh my god, where are they? Oh, there's more coming. Oh my god, dude, are you serious? Run, run, Leon, run. Save the Ashley. Oh god, dude. Oh. So many guys, so many enemies here. I have not a kill. Yeah, luckily I got a little bit of ammunition, which is nice. Oh, enemies, 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 so many enemies here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, Ashley, where are you going? Oh, did she crashed? Where the hell? Is she right? Oh, thank God, dude. Thank God, thank God, thank God. We actually get a little bit of a break here.
Welcome.
Okay, what do I do here? We're gonna upgrade our
Got a selection.
raid.
What are you
To,
buying?
so I could upgrade this, that one as well.
Is that all? Thank you. What are you selling? Ah. What are you buying? What are you buying? What are you buying? Is that all?
I could make it even better. 17, holy shit, dude. That's crazy damage.
Anytime.
Oh, that's the one here. Wait, would that go into the they're going here? Oh. So what happens if you get all of them? Yeah, what happens if you get all of them? I wonder. I call this continent. Oh shit.
I can feel them growing ever so strongly inside you.
Sadler!
Perhaps you can resist, but you cannot disobey. Now, come to me, Ashley.
So he can control basically. Oh wow. Okay.
Ashley!
Okay, so again, they
It's
took it away.
already begun.
Yeah, dude, okay, that's kind of annoying. But to find it again. So we're there, we have to go, yeah, cool. I got here already enemies, Oh, our plan. Because of that agent, we lost Chief Mendes and Ramon. Nevertheless, everything will proceed according to plan. I must admit, however, the loss of my loyal men is a bit disheartening, but I will deal with it. Replacing that loss will not come easy. I must choose wisely, for the Plagas reflects the conscience of their host. If chosen poorly, they could betray me. I need men who will swear their allegiance to me. I've learned my lesson when Sarah betrayed me. I will not make that same mistake again. It is important, however, I cannot and I will not have any more set my way. Well, that might be a saddler, so. Okay. Next one here,
What's the news on our friend Leon?
He's not making it easy. The sample?
Sadler's got it. It seems he sniffed out our little game.
Perfect.
Just so we understand each other clearly, I don't trust you, nor does Wesker. If you try to do anything clever, I will kill you.
Is that so? You know, I met Wesker long before you.
We'll see soon enough if you did.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, so this guy, yeah, so they both are working for Wesker, obviously. So he's a fucking asshole, obviously. I don't know how they saw me though, but. Oh, they're coming this way, yeah. If they are, it'll make it a lot easier for me, I'd say. I think they are, so I'm gonna wait for them to come here, first of all. It makes things a lot easier for me. Oh, you're only you, so actually. Come here, come on. You're buddy, good. Oh my god, get out of here! Ah. Hey, how's it gonna leave him? You know, it's going pretty well. We're getting close to the end, I think. Oh my god, but I'm getting my ass whooped. Yeah. But how'd you go with your playthrough? Are you having fun with Batman? I knew that would be. I don't know, that would be. At the end, I mean, I'm sort of getting closer. I'm pretty sure. Like, I've put quite a bunch of hours into it, so I must be getting close to it. Like, I'm assuming like I'm getting close to it. A bunch of things, yeah, that's nice. Oh, is it the Batman game? I find it stressful. Oh my goodness, really? Find that a bit stressful. Is it like the enemies are too tough, or what is it? Ah, you assholes. I have no idea where to go. The map is giving me headaches. Oh, is it? Oh, so it's hard to like navigate. Hard to navigate. No, I feel ya. So what do you like? Are you gonna think? Are you thinking about like stopping, or are you gonna keep keep playing it? The enemies are not tough. I can take rough enemies as long as 6 is involved. Oh, the navigation. Oh, fuck, I have to fight here. Oh, I have to fight this guy, right? Do I? Oh, I touched it. I'm gonna play next weekend at Pokemon. Yeah, true, yeah.
Been a long time.
Just this one's sword.
comrade.
Nice. Are you excited for it?
Krauser.
Excited to play some more Pokemon?
I died in a crash 2 years ago. Is that what they told you?
You're the one who kidnapped Ashley.
You got on quick, as expected. After all, you and I both know where we come from.
Oh no, I didn't mean to. Oh shit, I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. I was eating a nugget. I die, no. Yeah, forget that. Yeah, sometimes it's like these quick events. You have to actually like, you know. Excited is a strong word, especially since it is Nuzlocke, yeah. So it is.
Long time.
It's got that that layer of a bit of a stress that you have to put up with.
Krauser.
I feel ya.
I died in a crash 2 years ago.
So why did you decide to do a Nuzlocke
You're
then?
the one who kidnapped Ashley.
You got on quick, as expected. After all, you and I both know where we come from.
What do you want?
The sample Sadler developed, that's all.
Leave Ashley out of this.
Oh, I needed her to buy Sadler's trust in me. Like you, I'm American.
You got her involved just for that?
Gotcha.
All for Umbrella's sake.
Umbrella.
Almost let it slip. Enough talk. Die, comrade!
Oh, really? I was smashing that. Holy fuck! How am I supposed to like? Oh my god. Yeah, I played Detroit. I would stop to talk the shot, as some kid would die. Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, so like sometimes you get like the quick time event, and it's like you forget about it. But it's there. Alright, try again.
You got her involved just for that?
Oh my god, I was smashing the A-cat thingy. Come on. Yeah, so which ending did you get with Detroit? Which one did you get? I think I got like the neutral good.
Umbrella.
I didn't get the best one because I
Almost let it
think
slip.
I let one
Enough talk.
person die, one of the main ones.
comrade.
There you go. That was...
Ada.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, if it isn't the bitch in the red dress.
Looks like we have the upper hand here.
That's a big fucking
You
jump.
may be able to prolong your life, but it's not like you can escape your inevitable death, is it?
Damn, that's a big fucking jump. Holy moly.
You knew each other?
More or less. Maybe it's about time you told me the reason why you're here.
Maybe some other time.
Enjoy the reunion with your old friend?
As a matter of fact, I did.
Wonderful. I wouldn't want my special guests on the island feeling unattended.
Guess I'm supposed to thank you, right?
Ah, I have an idea. Since you're here, why don't I introduce you to it? It should keep you busy.
Oh, fuck me.
Can't remember the name, huh? A senior moment, perhaps.
Oh, enjoy the fun.
Ah, fuck me, what is it? It's gonna be a boss, isn't it? It's gonna be a fucking boss. What do we got? Here comes the boss. Eat. It's gonna be the fucking clown. The fucking clown in the movie. Oh shit, lasers. Oh shit, I'm dead. Okay, so I have to walk. I can't just run through it. Okay, shit. Okay. Alright. Let's try again. Wow, what are we doing? Oh my, what do I do here? What do I even do here? Holy fuck. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. Oh, fuck me. Dodge. Oh my goodness. Wait, what is it? I have to create an account. Oh, you went on Discord? I think you can, yeah. I think you have a Discord on you. You should have an account. Oh, what is it? There you go. What is this? What is this? What is this? Emerald. That's gonna be some money. Cool. Weird. Okay, so I am a king. Let's go, gamer. There's no time for resting. Wait, what? Which way do I go then? Which way is the exit here? What do I... Oh, I guess behind it? Yeah, oh, behind it maybe? Behind it? There you go, okay. Shut up, boy. Noob ass. Come on, bro. What are you doing? Oh, give me your copy of Elden Ring, bro. Come on. You're playing Tarkov, bro. Come on. Oh, what do I got here? Pre-prime, let's go. Pre-prime, baby. Oh, thank God, yes. Luis's memos. I report my findings about the Plagas here. The Plagas have three distinct characteristics. One, as mentioned previously, the Plagas have the ability to manipulate the behavioral patterns of the host. Two, the Plagas are social organisms. By this I mean that instead of living individually, they live in perfect social harmony. It is believed that they have a collective intelligence. This type of behavior can be seen among insects, such as bees and ants. However, this kind of social behavior is rarely seen among parasitic organisms. Perhaps it was learned behavior by the Las Plagas. I'm finding out if this has any relationship with their first characteristic. 3. The Plagas have exceptional adaptation skills. They're able to live off many kinds of organisms by creating a symbiotic environment quickly. This ability, when combined with their social behaviors, allows them to interact intelligently between hosts regardless of the host organism. I am ashamed to admit that my pure fascination with Las Plagas in hindsight has blinded me to the true research objectives of the Lost Illuminados. Even with the knowledge that Sadler was going to abuse the results of these experiments, I could not pull myself away from my research. As a result, I'm just as responsible for this whole mess as he is. I see now that I was wrong, but I can stop their evil plans alone. What are the evil plans?
Welcome.
Tell me the evil plans, Joey.
Got some rare things. What are you saying?
Alrighty, what do I sell here?
Is that all?
Is that all you
Thank you.
got?
What are you buying?
I kill a 7. Oh, it's also a magnum. Holy fuck. Wait, what? A very stable yet powerful. What the fuck? It does 25 damage. 25 damage. What the fuck? How can I get that though? How do I get it? That's crazy amounts of damage, dude. Holy moly.
Come back anytime.
Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'll see you guys very soon.